Flooding and landslide reported in several parishes across Jamaica. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. The National Work Agency is reporting that the road through the Bob Walk Gorge in St. Catherine is now closed. Reports are that heavy rain caused major flooding and motorists are being warned to avoid the area at this time. Over in St. Thomas, the Bethel and Whiteford corridor, the area is now impassable due to a landslide. In parts of Manchester, St. Elizabeth, and Westmoreland, there were several reports of flooding in the area on Thursday. Motorists and pedestrians should not attempt to cross flooded roadways or other low-lying areas as strong currents are likely. Residents in low-lying areas should be on the alert for rising waters and be ready to move quicker to higher grounds. The Meteorology Service of Jamaica on Friday reported that an area of low pressure, approximately 322 kilometers or 200 miles south of Jamaica, is producing showers and thunderstorms across the island. The Met Service stated that as a result, a flash flood warning remained in effect for eastern and south central parishes, while a flash flood watch is in effect for all parishes, effective 5 p.m. yesterday. These were some scenes that were captured from various parishes in Jamaica while the rain was battering the country. These are some scenes captured from different areas of the country which show the magnitude and extent of the damage caused by the flooding.
Down a Hasburn store. Can't cross it. Monday will cut off from Clarendon right now. How deep you built us up? I have to go run off today, brother. Nothing can cross it, nothing not forward from the side there. Watch it. There's a sea over there, so. Someone say about tomorrow before it run off. It's about tomorrow before the water run off, as far as you can see. Man, it's a douche part the gas station there where the gas station at Hasburn store. I don't they say aye. Man, them a push through car now. How much you push through car? See charge, money charge, push through car now.
Me know. Alright, me go. Only get one more time in every day, last time, I'm like this, man, I'm one of you. Can't tell me what, I'm get them one. Right now, yeah, it's a load of their food. Yo. Right out the field, get to Jamaica.
Alright people, see what we have in Mandible now. Well, apparently this truck is the truck trying to pull the water out. Yeah?
Man! Oh, that is fridge.
Some big boy catch up.
Oi!
Boom on the key.
Aku bisa buka kita. Kami gaya. Oh. Kau kaya sol kau sol. Are we have tried?
Tiga tak. Pergi lah.
Oh?
Tiga tak. Tiga tak sebagai stil. Sebagai stil. Kau bisa kau macam
You don't think so?
I mad.
No, in a brace so.
Man, look at this nice shop. Man, look there. Jesus. Merciful God. Look, man. Close and skirt. Nobody can cross.
Don't say. Everything. Everyone going.
Come here, wake up, you know.
Bombo clad. Yeah, man. Go there. Yeah.
What's your name?
Oh, God, Mr. Tonight. Oh, God. And if you have to start the social media out, so. Yeah, but the guy with the blue umbrella, I tell them what to walk. I think car park and tell them, you know, I hope they're not leaky. Because then he decide to go down there to tell them. Oh, God, the man wicked.
This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we have an updated report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.